If you've accidentally deleted WhatsApp media, documents, or chat and are worried about how to recover them, well, today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to recover your lost data on WhatsApp. Let's start by talking about backups. There are two types of backups, local and cloud. Local backup are which you can do it manually, taking screenshots of your important chats or images and store it somewhere secure to use it later on. Now, there's another method as well. Open WhatsApp and go to your settings. On the settings menu, tap on chats. Now, you'll see an option, export chats. Tap on it. Now, depending on your case, whichever chat you want to back up, tap on it. And you can see that we can export the chat with the media attached or without it. Simply tap on whichever is necessary for you. After this will export the chat. And you can directly save it to your file, send a message to anyone, or send it through the Gmail. Now, if you have made cloud backups, you can again go back and see chat backup. Tap on it. Now, in order to backup, you should be signed in with any backup email that you've used or that you want to use. But in this case, we are using iCloud. So what we need to do is go to your iCloud and make sure the iCloud for the WhatsApp is enabled. After this, what happens is, whenever you try to open WhatsApp and access your chats or any attachment you like, this will automatically sync all of your data and restore it. And remember to allow all the permission WhatsApp requires during setting up your backup restoration process smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.